Here is a tutorial on how I made this smoky top. First thing I did was I did my pulse divided by 4, which is 9.5 plus 3, that is 12.5, and I marked it here. 12.5. I decided how long I want my top to be, so my top is going to be 22 inches long. So I started from 8. This 1 inch is going to be where I attach my elastic for the upper part of my dress. So from that 9, I marked 22. There's that. So at that bottom, I marked 12 inches instead of 12.5, and I cut it out. So I turned the elastic seam allowance part in, and then I turned the bottom of my top in. So now I'll get into the shirring part. I already have a special bobbin holder that I use for my elastic thread. So basically you can just take yours and loosen it, right? Just take this, if you're using this butterfly electric machine, take it, put it into this hole, and try to loosen it so it's loose, so your thread can pass through. So once you've loosened that, you then hand roll your thread. You take your thread, this is your bobbin, start it this way, gently rolling it, gently roll it. So when it gets to a point, you just cut it off. Now, just as you usually attach your bobbin back into your bobbin holder, you do the same thing here, and ensure the thread is coming out of it up to 2 inches, so it doesn't struggle to come out from below. So this is it. So I don't chalk mine down. I rather use the edge of my presser foot as a guide. So I'll use this line as a guide while I start my stitch. So stitch length to be 4 inches, so it's at 4, and then I'm using the middle stitch line. So I have the loose one, and then I have the really tight one, but I'm using the middle one. So that's the setting I'm using for my butterfly sewing machine. So as you can see, oh no, it went out of place. But yeah, you can see it's already shearing. So on getting to the end, I did the same thing. I flipped my fabric. So now this line is going to be my guide. I will just ensure my presser foot is sitting on this line while I sew. I don't bother to mark, it's time consuming, so this is what I usually do. After 1 hour of smoking and sharing, my outfit is ready. So my advice for next time, you can see how tiny my lines are. Just mark your half inch. Mark it. Don't use my method. My method is pain tasking. It's painful, it's crazy. So now I'm going to be adding elastic into this point. So what I'll do is my bust divided by 2 is 19. 19 minus, let's take away 6 thereabout, and that'll be the length of my elastic. I'll check it and see if it's enough. So I'll put it here in this elastic point and then put it here. After putting in my elastic, I'm about to join the sides using 0.5.